guys, welcome to Freto Test Software eLearning, a place to breathe and a place to learn new skills that will give you the necessary skills that requires to break into the IT industry. I would say welcome to a platform that will give you the opportunity that most professions will not give you in terms of breaking into a profession that will give you the rewarding requirements that you've been desiring for all your life. I say welcome to the platform that will give you the opportunity to kill many birds with just one shot of stone. And I say once again, welcome to the platform that doesn't judge you with your level of education or your educational background. This is a platform that will change your life tremendously. If and only if you could give Freto Test eLearning the opportunity to impact your life and change your career and give you that rewarding expectations. Well, I always like to start with this simple question. If your present career is not giving you happiness, if your present career is not giving you the expected income that you desire, I think the IT industry is quite open because the opportunity for job is increasing every day. Well, this is what I always say. Why not give Freto Test eLearning an opportunity to impact your life in a way that you can never imagine? Well, that is what I would like to tell you or pass this important information to you. Why you should choose Freto Test eLearning. First of all, I'll say Freto Test eLearning will give you the opportunity to learn software engineering manually and automatically. So, if I could just break down to you briefly, learning automation testing requires 3 to 4 years college degree. And guess what? The heartbreaking aspect of it is, even you spending 3 to 4 years in college does not guarantee your job or does not guarantee that you know what is really happening in the practical sector of IT. This is why training school like this is being put forward. The training school will give you the opportunity to learn both theoretical and practical knowledge that will give you direct access into the IT industry. And guess what? This will only take you just a very short period of time. You don't have to go to college for 3 years. You don't have to have the best qualifications. You don't have to have the best of certificate. All that requires you is your attention for the short period of 3 to 4 months. Another opportunity that Freto Test eLearning is giving to young and old people out there is course is being given at affordable prices. You wouldn't believe it. The prices are far lower than what you will pay at the colleges or the so-called professional industries. This is why Freto Test eLearning is bringing together as a charity and IT industry that will make your life change tremendously. It is an opportunity because we are giving away this knowledge and the practical aspect of it as a bonus, as a payback to the mother nature and to the universe in the marketplace. What is another opportunity that will be given to you in this platform? Freto Test eLearning has brought to you just in your own closet the opportunity to learn all you want just in your closet. You don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to travel far away from your house. You don't have to to create extra hours, extra time in order to learn IT. We bring every knowledge, every practice down into your doorstep. All you just have to do is create 2 to 3 hours of your day, and then the knowledge and all you need to break into IT will be given to you freely. What is another thing that Freto Test Learning has put together? Freto Test Learning have take their time and bring professionals who are working in the industry, who have given a lot of people chances to work in the IT profession. They bring them together to give you the opportunity to learn from them. You'll be learning from the best. This is why Freto Test is the best platform and is the trending platform that will give you all you needed in order to join the IT industry. You have nothing to worry about. Stop crying about that job that is not paying you well. Stop getting worried about you not getting a job. This is your best chance. Just give your heart and give it a shot, because this is the best opportunity that you will never see anywhere in the world. Yes, don't think this Mr. Fred is trying to exaggerate. This has nothing to do with exaggeration, but it is an opportunity that we have brought together into your doorstep. Well, I would like to say straight away, how do we operate? Well, Freto Test eLearning is live classes that just take place there on your system or on your phone. That is all you need in order to join this platform. You don't have to go extra mile to get yourself a laptop if you don't have one. All you have to do is set up your mobile phone and you'll be able to have the opportunity to join the platform. And it only takes the period of 2 hours daily, aside from the weekends. So what if you miss lectures or you miss the classes on a daily basis? There's nothing to worry about. That is why we provide this session of video recording. We record all our videos, both the practical and the theoretical sessions, and we'll send it to you immediately after lectures. Then in your own time, you can watch each videos and make the best out of it. I told you once again, this is an opportunity for you, and I strongly believe you're going to use it. So what is another thing that you will learn that distinguishes and that you will learn from this platform? Well, I've said this earlier on that colleges is a kind of scam. Don't get me wrong. They teach you all those theories that whenever after you even graduated, you don't even know how to apply it to on the job market. That is why you are rendered redundant, you couldn't get that job. But Freto Test will give you the opportunity of applying every single knowledge or skills that you learn on this platform in accordance to the on-the-job practice. The marketplace is full of opportunities, especially the IT industry that is growing very fast. So we are going to give you the exact skills, the exact practical knowledge, and all the job services that you need to get into the IT and the way the deed is done on the job. Aside from that, we've got a 24/7 services. Just go to our chat box or our emails or our website, and you will easily be able to ask any question that is bothering you, anything, any problem that you have, even before you get the job and after you get the job. Get in touch into the system with the platform, and the Freto Test management will be able to help you to answer your questions accordingly. So what again can you receive from this platform? Majority of people, they've actually complete the academic session of their life. Even some people went for other professional courses, but they still couldn't get the right job. They are not even given the opportunity for interview to prove themselves. And according to research, 60% of this problem is bad CV coordination or bad CV writing. Our platform will give you the opportunity to help you to bring your CV together in a world-class standard that will give you the opportunity for the interview and will give you the opportunity to win the heart of your employer even without seeing you. This is a privilege that is not done anywhere. This is what our platform is bringing just to your doorsteps. I'm very sure you're going to use that opportunity. There's no worries, and I won't really say much about that. This is a privilege that is not common. Well, I've been talking about software testing, Freto Test e-learning, and majority of you watching me out there might be concerned, might be looking at what is actually this software testing all about. That is why I've decided to give just 2 or 3 minutes to talk a little bit about what software testing is all about in brief. What is software testing? Software testing is the process of software development, assessment, or testing requirements in accordance to the software application in question for it to meet its purposes. So, the very good example I like to give is every human being are testers. If you're making your dinner, you might be good. You might think. I think it's very ideal. Is very important rather for you to test whatever you're cooking, so that you know if you need to add some more sauce or salt or anything you need to add it in order to make it to taste better. If you look at IT software testing on the other side, it's almost the same thing. You just got yourself that brand new phone. You want to test if this phone can easily make a call, which is the main reason of getting your phone in the first place. You want to see if you can send messages. You want to see if you can upload videos, you can take pictures, and every other features that a phone can do. In software testing or software development life cycle, there are group of developers and group of testers. They write code, they develop both the software aspect of the application and the hardware aspect of the application. All these need to be tested in order to know that all these applications are working accordingly. These are the cause of software testing on its own. Well, I know today is not really the lecture day, but it's just to give you an understanding what software testing is actually all about in the short run. So, what are you testing? You're testing applications. An application can be website, can be a cloud platform, can even be a hardware device. So, those are the things that you test as a software engineer. So, what is the reason of testing it? You want to know if the quality of the application is fit for purpose, because this is very important. If you are building an application that is not meeting the purpose of creation, that means you've wasted your time and efforts. So what is another thing that is very important when it comes to software is to detect defects, and defects are known as bug or defaults. Well, as I've said earlier on, today is not the lecture day. It's just to give you a clue of what software testing is all about. So at this point, I would like to just bring everything to a hold until you join us, until you get in touch with